Momcozy U-shaped full body sleeping pillow. So this is great for supporting a whole variety of areas on your body, both your back, legs, belly, and hips, and also provides you with a cooling feeling while you're sleeping so you can stay cool and comfy all night. It really gives you a full body support and just helps with having any kind of pain throughout your body. It helps relieve that pain. So it will give you a better sleep when using it, or I definitely find I do. You feel very cozy. The material itself is very soft. It's a nylon and polyester blend, but can be used a whole variety of ways when you're watching TV, reading, sleeping, playing games, or working from home as well. Great if you're pregnant as well. It does have this indent as to where your belly could go. It is completely foldable and comfortable for everyone. Also, if you have any kind of sciatica, fibromyalgia, or back pain, shoulder pain, or post-surgery, it could help alleviate those symptoms as well. Check out some of the other colors. I've got the pink. Love it. Check it out.